In this video, we will show you how to restore deleted files in Recycle Bin in Windows operating system. In here, I'm using Windows 11, but you can also do this on Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7. For example, you accidentally deleted this file. After you deleted the files, you forgot you still need the files, so you can restore by opening your Recycle Bin on your desktop. Okay. In here, before you restore the files, it's important or very important, you need to hover the files one by one like this. For example, this is your files, and when you hover, you have the original location there. You can see there. You can see original location on the desktop. When you just clicking restore using right click, you will never know where is your file when you just click the restore. So after you hover and you see where is the original location, you can just right click and choose restore. So after the file is gone from Recycle Bin, you don't confuse where is the location of your files. This is the very important steps. Okay. For example, after you delete these files, open your Recycle Bin. When you want to restore, hover before you restore. After you see the original location, you can just right click and choose restore. And that's all.